Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
Secrets out on a gurney, wanna litigate my sins, prosecute like an attorney, but I tap dance right in front of the jury, and I pray to the judge, please show me mercy, cause I don't know where I'm gonna end up.
the curve.